In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit link decoration in Framer. Open your Framer project and head to the canvas where your link lives. Click the link on the page to select it. With the link selected, look to the right sidebar and switch to the Style panel, the one marked with the A icon. In that panel, open Link Styles, choose Link, and then click Edit. This opens the dedicated controls for how your links look across states and breakpoints. First, let's control the underline. Under Decoration, choose None to remove the default underline. This is perfect if your design uses color or weight to indicate links and you want a cleaner look. Remember, you can always come back and switch it to underline again if you decide you want a visible decoration. While you're here, take a moment to review the typography controls labeled AA. These manage the text style applied to your link. Keep these consistent with your body text or accent style, so your link remains readable and on brand. Next, look for the scope and inheritance controls, often labeled Auto. Set this to All if you want your changes to apply everywhere the style is used. If you only want the update in select places, keep it scoped and add new variations with Add to create a separate link style preset you can reuse. Now refine the underline style itself. If you turned underline back on, you can pick the line appearance. Solid for a classic look, double for emphasis, dashed for a lighter feel, or dotted for a playful touch. Click each option to preview it, then choose the one that fits your design system. Fine-tune the details using the decoration settings below. Adjust thickness for visual weight, and offset to move the line closer to or farther from the text baseline. Small tweaks here can dramatically improve readability, especially at smaller sizes. Don't forget interactive states. Open each state, like hover, pressed, or visited, and make sure the decoration behaves as expected. You might keep the underline off by default and show a solid underline on hover for clearer affordance. Keep contrast high so accessibility stays strong. If you need to revisit the main controls, click Link again and choose Edit. You can switch decoration to underline at any time and repeat the same adjustments for other breakpoints and states. Where inheritance isn't desired, change Auto to None, so Framer doesn't pull settings from elsewhere. When everything looks right in preview, click Publish to push your changes live. That's it. Clean, consistent link decorations in Framer with full control over when